Chainlink Staking launching on December 6th. Here's what you need to know. I'm a fan of Chainlink technology and vision, and let's talk about Chainlink right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, Chainlink Staking v0.1 will go live on Ethereum mainnet December 6th. So Chainlink is actually happening with staking, which is why it's important to dig through all the existing details about to find out will or able to compete with Ethereum solution, and if sensitive details like its lockup period are fully transparent. Now, the lockup is definitely a situation to talk about because this has been brought up through other sources. Okay, the lockup period is a cornerstone of any staking operation as it remains the main mechanism for easing up. I'll go ahead and highlight some of this. As it remains main mechanism for rising up or easing up, selling pressure on the market and forming a stable situation or collateral for networks to work with. Now, recently Ethereum faced a massive backlash after developers postponed the unlocking of users' funds, practically removing their ability to withdraw their assets from the contract from an unknown period of time. Now, this was tweeted out on December 1st about the situation with launching the staking of Chainlink. And then when I come back down here just a little bit, in case, and I'll go ahead and highlight this, in case of Chainlink, the original 12 to 24 month lockup period was based on being conservative, really, or a conservative release cycle. However, contacting community members and operation or no operators directly, Chainlink management decided to change the lockup period to 9 to 12 months. So originally it was 12 to 24 months, and then they changed it to 9 to 12 months. Very good. After releasing the next version of staking, users will be able to unlock or migrate their stake link tokens, so you stake link tokens and rewards. By unlocking their funds, investors will have no issues taking profits right away or moving funds to the new version of staking on the network, entering another lockup period. Now, a couple more information down here of Chainlink staking as performance guarantees around the Oracle services will help, or with the help of link tokens committed by users. December 6th, users will be able to use Chainlink beta with the support of the ETH/paired USD data feed on Ether's mainnet. So there you have it. Chainlink staking launching on December 6th. Broke down some details on that. This is a really good move. It's been in the works for a while, and I'm glad they changed the lockup period to 9 to 12 months. So this should help users out very, very well. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. And you are watching the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Let's go.